So list comprehension, right, in Python. So what if I told you that you can replace several lines of Python code with just one line of code, right? In this video, I am going to show you how to do exactly that using list comprehension in Python, right? We will first write the code using normal for loop, right? So this is the code by using a normal for loop, right? Then it will convert the same code into list comprehension, right? So let's get started. So this is the list in which I have stored the 5 numbers, right? Then after I have created the empty list, right, in which a square of numbers will be stored, right? Then after I have used the for loop, right? Then after I will add the square of numbers into this list, right? Then after I will print that list, right? So this is the normal for loop, right? Now I will use the same code. I think this is the 5-line code, right? I will convert it into 3 lines. So what I will do, write the name of list, right, in which store 5 numbers, right? Then I will use the name of empty list, right, in which I will use the expression, right? So this is the expression, right? The expression. Then after I will use the for loop for numbers, right? This is the list comprehension, right? Now I will print on the screen, right? Now I will run this program. You will get the same output, right? To run this program, this is the right. So this is the 3-line of code using list comprehension, right? Now if you see the definition of list comprehension allows us to create a new list in a single line of code instead of writing multiple lines with the traditional for loop, right? So this is the expression of the list comprehension, right? Why do we use list comprehension? We use list comprehension mainly because it allows us to create a new list in shorter and more concise, right? Now we have a second example in which we are going to convert numbers into even numbers, right? So this is the normal for loop. I have created a list in which I have stored the 6 elements, right? Then after I have created the empty list, right, in which it will store the even numbers, right? Then after I have used for loop, right? Then after I have written the if statement, means that this is the condition, right? Now even numbers dot append number, this number will add into even number, right? Now if you want to write the list comprehension, then you will just copy that list, right? Now I will write this list, right? Now I will write the expression. I will write the number, right? This is the expression, right? Right. Then after I will write the for loop, right? So this is the for loop. Now I will write the condition, right? Now I will run this program. Given numbers, right? Now I will run, first I will run this normal loop, right? Now I will run. This is the output, right? So this is the 5-line code, and I have converted into a 3-line of code to use list comprehension, right? So if you are new on my YouTube channel, please subscribe my channel. In the end, now in the next video we will talk about advanced list comprehension.